At the height of India's glory eons ago, even before it staggered under the onslaught of numerous conquerors, it had made immense contributions to the world. One of the significant contributions was the numeral zero, that had transformed the scope of mathematics, and the rest, as is said, is history. The zero factor that will rewrite the history of India is an economic powerhouse taking shape to pave the path to its grandeur. Its turn to conquer the world on its terms, to be central to the world economy. The ground zero is MIHAN, the multimodal international hub airport at Nagpur in the state of Maharashtra. Nagpur has the unique distinction of being located at the 0 mile of India, the only city to be equidistant from all the major metro cities of India. At the same time, it is connected to all the ports and cities by trunk rail routes and highways. To cap it all, around 270 international flights cross the airspace of Nagpur every day, besides having a busy domestic airport. While by virtue of these coincidences, it makes strategic sense for a multimodal hub airport, MIHAN as a whole holds the key in turning around the commercial stakes of the nation. Nagpur, as the host city for this project, has also the potential to make the project a financially attractive proposition. Nagpur is already a business hub, an education destination for central India. Spread over an area of 250 square kilometers, it is surrounded by vast expanses of farms, lush forests with conserved wildlife and tracts of land rich in minerals. The 27 engineering colleges and 13 medical colleges produce a whopping number of professionals every year. Nagpur has its share of homegrown skilled workforce to propel the project. MIHAN is one-of-a-kind vision that will set the paradigm for futuristic urban development. A model which will successively sustain industrial, commercial and residential growth within an environmental balance. MADC, Maharashtra Airport Development Company Limited, is a special purpose vehicle company constituted by Government of Maharashtra to implement and realize the MIHAN project. On the board are a select team of dedicated professionals. Headed by the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. MADC has also engaged the services of several world-renowned project consultants.
Maharashtra is one of the preferred destinations for investment for both India and overseas. To accelerate this rate of investment, the government has taken many steps which have increased the rate of economic development in Maharashtra. My government has taken initiative to develop the Vidarbha region and create growth nucleus there, and accordingly has taken a decision to implement the multimodal international hub airport at Nagpur, the MIHAN project. Special purpose vehicle, Maharashtra Airport Development Company Limited, MADC, is implementing this project under my guidance and supervision as not only Chief Minister of Maharashtra but also Chairman of this company. MIHAN project will remove the backlog of Vidarbha and bring it on par with the rest of Maharashtra. My government is committed to provide all assistance and support for successful implementation of MIHAN project.
MIHAN, as envisaged and progressed upon, is transforming the existing Nagpur airport to a future-ready international airport. With parallel runways, abutting the airport is a special economic zone, rail and road terminals, health city, and a residential township, evolving into a composite and integrated commercial nerve center. Let us have a preview of the future. Airport. The multimodal hub airport covers an area of 1,364 hectares, dominated by a 3 million square meter state-of-the-art semicircular terminal building. It will have parallel runways to enable aircrafts to simultaneously land and take off. At 4,431 meters, they will hold the record of the longest runways in India. There is ample space on either side of the runways for unhindered aircraft taxiing, with a bonus space for parking. The airport has a capacity to park over 100 aircrafts. Aircraft Maintenance and Engineering Layouts, MRO, occupy 63 hectares just by the airport. The only such maintenance bay between Europe and Australia. Boeing, Duke Aviation and Max Aerospace have already reserved their MRO, maintenance, repair, overhaul facilities here. On a special note, it has to be added that the weather conditions of Nagpur is most conducive for the hub airport to be operational round the clock, throughout the year, 365/24. Rail and road terminals. The rail terminal is just along the main railway line, covering an area of 28 hectares and capable of accommodating operations of 2 freight trains per day, with additional facility in place as container yards, cargo handling facility, custom clearance, and all the related requirements for speedier and smoother operations. The road terminal, on the other hand, covers an area of 75 hectares. It is approachable by the national highways number 6 and 7. Its proximity to the feeder routes again provides a huge logistic support to the hinterlands of Nagpur. The terminal has a parking capacity for over 1,000 multi-axle trucks, along with truck maintenance and fueling facilities. Warehouses, dormitories for drivers, cold storage, first aid are few of the many facilities at the terminal. These terminals together serve the full load logistics advantage. The SEZ complex occupies a massive area of 2,086 hectares and is adjacent to the International Hub Airport. Soft regulations as relaxed labor laws and zero tax regime will greatly benefit the business units in the SEZ. The zone will cater to export-oriented manufacturing and service businesses from various sectors like information technology, IT, gem and jewelry, textile and garment, engineering and electronic goods, food processing, pharmaceuticals and other industries. World-class infrastructure, services and facilities are the norm at the SEZ and will have its captive power plant for seamless power supply at very low and standard tariffs. Besides, the SEZ will have a residential township for the airport and SEZ personnel and a host of facilities for recreation, education and entertainment. The SEZ has several renowned corporations already occupying their pride of place as IT majors Wipro, Tata Consultancy Services, Satyam and mega companies like Larsen & Toubro, Shapoorji Pallonji and many others.